Understanding the phrase, bare bones budget. Hello, and welcome to today's video. In this episode, we're going to explore the meaning of a very interesting English phrase, bare bones budget. This phrase is not only useful in everyday English but also vital in understanding financial discussions. Stay tuned as we dive into the nuts and bolts of this phrase. First, let's break down the phrase, bare bones budget. The word bare suggests something that is not covered or minimal. Bones often represent the essential structure of something, like the skeleton of a body. And budget refers to a plan for managing money. When combined, these words create a phrase that means a budget with only the most essential expenses, stripped of any extras or luxuries. Understanding a phrase also involves knowing how to use it in context. Let's look at some examples. After losing my job, I had to live on a bare bones budget until I found new employment. The company's financial crisis led them to adopt a bare bones budget to survive. In these examples, the phrase is used to describe a situation where spending is reduced to the absolute necessities. It's helpful to know similar phrases or synonyms. For bare bones budget, similar expressions include no frills budget, shoestring budget, minimalist budget. These phrases also convey the idea of spending as little as possible. How can you apply this in real life? If you're creating a bare bones budget for yourself, focus on essential expenses like rent, groceries, and utilities. Cut out unnecessary spending like dining out, subscriptions, or luxury items. This approach is particularly useful in times of financial strain. That's all for today's video on the phrase, bare bones budget. We hope you now have a clear understanding and can use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Remember, mastering a language involves learning its phrases and their usage. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.